Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add a search bar in your Wix website. To start this tutorial, open manage.wix.com in your internet browser. Once you are here already, all you need to do is to click on Edit Site and then you'll be redirected to editor.wix.com. In here, you'll need to click on plus add elements. Once you do that, you can now use the search bar over here. And then on the search bar, just search for Wix Site Search. Once you do that, there should be options that will appear. In here, look for Wix Site Search. Once you find it, click on Open. It has a blue button next to it. In here, wait for the website to finish loading once again, and then once you see it, click on Open. In here, in Wix App Market, by adding the Wix Site Search. By adding it, you can now have the option for customers to search using your website in Wix Search. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.